Today, December 22nd, 2025. This is brand new unbox MDT Oxyx Chassis system. 4 reasons about it. I like the AR style for accuracy, and third, I can hunt in the cold weather. Fourth one, I want to replace with my CZ 457. Let's open, unbox it and see what's inside. A little sticker MDT in the plastic bag. It's lighter than what I thought. Got a little nice box. Wow, just beautiful and pretty light. You can see I only use my left hand and pretty light. This is polymer, this one. And inside here, I believe, has the aluminum bed. Pretty cool. Got the adjustable cheese rice here with the L-wrench. But stock here can adjust it too. That's pretty cool, huh? And, cool looking, huh? Comfortable. And more like a consistent pull the trigger. So hopefully we'll get some accuracy for that. Has the M block here. The in-bed here is pretty wide open, so the barrel is free flowed. So the idea that they design is for better or more accuracy of the gun. But this is my first one. I never have it. This is the magazine here. I think it's pretty cool for me. I like it so far. The model Oxyx Chassis has more aluminum to it than the field stock. And your installation instructions. Got clear instruction, 3 steps to accuracy. Remove the rifle action from the manufacturer's stock. Follow this instruction. There's some bolts in there. Put it into the brand new chassis. And here's the result of it. The 3 step of the final step. It's so beautiful and cool looking. Okay, it's a adjustable cheese rice. Adjustable butt stock. Cost me $430. Just this chassis. I think worth spending. Comparison what the walnut wood stock versus the MDT chassis. The MDT chassis, because it's more durable, winter survivor. And as far as the breaking, the cracking, and accuracy in bed, it's not touching the barrel versus the barrel touching the wood. Very tight fit. So hope that will gives a little more accuracy for the MDT chassis. Let's get to it and get all the part transferred to the new chassis. 2 screws, which I already take the magazine out and make sure the chamber clear of the ammo. So there's one bolt here already loose and one down here in bottom. Already loose the bolt. Just take the top bolt out, set on the bottom, and then take the bottom out. So there's only 2 bolts. And first, I'm gonna remove locking plate. Like this whole piece come out, just like that. Okay. Set aside. Now got the 2 bolts, top and bottom, out. So all these parts, barrel, chamber, optics, and the trigger gonna come out, just like that. Here's the wood stock. You can see it. Yep, Got it. So the whole kit out from the wood stock. Fire 32 seconds. Locking the bolt. So take the plastic nuts out. Okay, you got the bolts out. Insert the this one up and the chassis down, just like so. Now let's put the shorter bolt first, just to hold in place. Looks pretty good to me. Lined up, make sure it's lined up. Let's see if it works. Beautiful. It is looking totally like a brand new machine gun. The aluminum in-bed, it's pretty wide open. It's not touching the barrel. This is the true free flow barrel versus the wood one, tight fit, touching. Always down to the chamber here. It's not touching. Beautiful. Definitely gonna make a difference for the accuracy. I like it than before. 5 rounds magazine and the 10 round magazines. See how easy it is. Go in. When you get used, you know exactly. Clip. This is finger slop. You know, just press down and drop down the magazine. Hit the slop. Click. And drop it down, press, no restriction, ball in and ball out. They had a group here pretty matching with the old stock, and I see that the old stock it's a little bit shorter, about that much shorter. So as far as the barrel, 24-inch barrel, has more balancing with the stock overall and free flow clearing here. The aluminum bed here is wider. It's not touching on the sides or the bottom. Should have a more accuracy. I want to see at the range, and stay tuned. We'll let you know how it make a difference